We're going to walk you through the installation of the J&L oil separator for your 2-liter EcoBoost. Including the J&L kit is a fully assembled oil separator with quick connect fittings, a mounting bracket, and mounting screws. The tools you're going to need for installation is a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Let's get started. Our first step, we need to locate our factory PCV line and remove it. PCV line is this line here that's covered in this foam. It goes from the valve cover down to this 90-degree fitting off the intake manifold. So to remove this, we'll start with this one. You're going to pull up on this tab and push the fitting off. And then on the valve cover side, same thing. Fitting, push the tab, and pull the fitting. Pull our line out of here, like so. And closer look, you got these circles, right? When you pull this tab, it breaks the circle, so that will release the fitting. And just gently, if you pry them too hard, you will break them, so just be careful. Make sure you save your factory line in case you ever want to return to stock. Go ahead and pre-install your J&L bracket onto the oil separator. Just align the two J&L logos. You got one on the bracket, one on the oil catch can, and then fasten it with the supplied screws. Now our mounting location for this is off of this stud on the battery hold down. So we're going to need to take off that 10mm nut. Now you're going to slide your J&L assembly into place and fasten the bracket with that same nut. We'll connect the hose down to the intake first. These fittings are all adjustable, okay? So you can twist them. They might be tough to break free initially, but they will break free and spin all the way around. So we're actually gonna run this between this hard pipe here and these two smaller lines and go down to our connection. You'll hear our connection snap into place. Next, at the valve cover, we have our 90-degree fitting. Again, we want it pointing towards that fitting because we're just going to snake it in between the ignition coil pack and these lines and push that in. Now, if you ever need to remove our fittings, there's green clips. You don't take out the green clip. You actually press the button on the clip that says push. So you press that button and pull off the fitting. To reinstall, slide up and snap. That completes your installation. What we recommend you do is check the oil separator after 1,000 miles of driving. Most of these 4-cylinder EcoBoost motors do about a ½ ounce to an ounce of oil in the oil separator every 1,000 miles. The oil separator holds 3 ounces in its default form. This kit is compatible with our extension that will double the capacity. So if you want to make it longer than 2,500, 3,000 miles between servicing, the extension is an opportunity for you. If you have any questions, please reach out. We appreciate you watching, and we'll see you on the next one.